Step onto your lawn with a simple upgrade that boosts soil health and grass growth without heavy equipment. Best Lawn Aerator shoes give you an easy, budget-friendly way to improve drainage, reduce compaction, and help nutrients reach deep roots while you walk and work outdoors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. LawnVigor Aerator Lawn Aerator Shoes. The LawnVigor Aerator Lawn Aerator shoes offer a practical and efficient solution for homeowners looking to improve lawn health without investing in bulky equipment. Designed with a reinforced 5mm metal sole, these shoes minimize mud buildup, allowing you to aerate continuously without constant interruptions for cleaning. The heat-treated 2 3/16" metal spikes provide excellent penetration, making them suitable for various soil types, including compacted and clay-heavy ground. One of the standout features is the replaceable spike design, which extends the lifespan of the shoes and adds long-term value. Comfort and stability are also well considered, thanks to the adjustable straps and secure buckle system that fits a wide range of shoe sizes. Whether you are wearing sneakers or work boots, the shoes stay firmly in place during use. Additionally, the fully assembled design means you can start aerating your lawn straight out of the box, without any tools or setup. Overall, these aerator shoes strike a solid balance between durability, convenience, and performance, making them a reliable option for regular lawn maintenance. Number 2. Bakulala Spike Lawn Aerator Shoes. The Bakulala Spike Lawn Aerator shoes provide a simple and budget-friendly way to maintain a healthy and vibrant lawn. Built with user convenience in mind, these shoes come fully assembled, allowing you to start aerating immediately without dealing with complicated setup. The adjustable strap system, including dual toe straps and X-cross heel straps, ensures a snug and secure fit, reducing the risk of slipping while walking across uneven ground. Designed to accommodate a range of shoe sizes, they are versatile enough for both men and women. The 2-inch spikes are long enough to create deep holes in the soil, helping air, water, and nutrients reach the grass roots more effectively. This makes them suitable for different soil conditions, whether sandy, loamy, or clay-based. The sturdy plastic base and durable straps are built to withstand repeated use, offering good longevity for seasonal lawn care. For homeowners looking for an economical alternative to renting or purchasing heavy aerating machinery, these shoes deliver dependable performance while keeping things simple and accessible.
Number 3. Wodesid Patio Lawn Aerator Shoes. The Wodesid Patio Lawn Aerator shoes stand out for their user-friendly design and reliable stability, making lawn aeration less of a chore and more of a straightforward task. Featuring a durable PVC base, these shoes distribute weight evenly, which helps prevent spike bending even when used on tougher or slightly rocky terrain. The adjustable strap system with anti-slip heel locks ensures that the shoes stay firmly in place during movement, offering confidence and safety with every step. One of the most convenient aspects is the quick-release buckle system, allowing for fast adjustments and easy on and off use. This makes them ideal for users who want a hassle-free experience without dealing with tangled straps or complicated fittings. Designed to fit a wide range of shoe sizes, they are suitable for both men and women and can be worn over sneakers or boots. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design make these aerator shoes a dependable choice for maintaining lawn health while keeping the process comfortable and efficient. Number 4. MMAYS Spike Lawn Aerator Shoes. The MMAYS Spike Lawn Aerator shoes are designed for versatility and performance, making them more than just a standard lawn care tool. These shoes are equipped with heavy-duty stainless steel spikes that effectively penetrate compacted soil, improving airflow, water absorption, and nutrient distribution for healthier grass growth. What sets this product apart is its multi-purpose functionality, as it can also be used on various surfaces, including certain epoxy applications, without causing damage. This makes it a unique option for users who want added value beyond lawn care. The rugged construction ensures durability, allowing the shoes to handle different terrains such as garden soil, trails, and uneven outdoor surfaces. The simple strap-on design eliminates the need for tools or assembly, making it easy to get started right away. Additionally, the shoes provide good traction, which enhances stability during use. Overall, these Aerator shoes combine efficiency, durability, and versatility, making them a practical investment for both gardening enthusiasts and those tackling multiple outdoor projects.
Number 5. NINGO Buckle Lawn Aerator Shoes. The NINGO Buckle Lawn Aerator shoes are built with durability and stability as top priorities, offering a dependable solution for effective lawn aeration. These shoes arrive fully pre-assembled, eliminating the frustration of complicated setup and allowing you to begin work immediately. The high-strength plastic base is designed to flex without cracking under pressure, while the 2.2-inch carbon steel spikes provide deep soil penetration, making them particularly effective for compacted or clay-heavy lawns. A key highlight is the dual buckle strap system, which offers a more secure fit compared to traditional Velcro designs that can loosen or clog with mud. This ensures the shoes remain stable even during extended use in challenging conditions. The adjustable sizing accommodates a wide range of foot sizes, making them suitable for both men and women. Comfort is also considered, especially when paired with proper footwear. Overall, these Aerator shoes deliver strong performance, long-lasting construction, and reliable safety, making them a solid choice for serious lawn care tasks. Choosing the right pair can make a noticeable difference in how your lawn looks and feels over time. With consistent use, healthier roots and greener grass follow naturally. Pick a durable design, stay consistent, and let every step you take contribute to a thicker, more vibrant lawn you'll enjoy.